Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to Twinkling Star Handbag channel. I'm Jasmine. Thanks a lot for your watching. And the online channel is very convenient now, so we can present products to you in different ways. Hope you had enjoyed our sharing. Twinkling Star has 25 years experience in bags industry, so we hope we have opportunity to share more knowledge about bags products, material information and trading. Also some our company development ideas for you. And we are really appreciate your attention to our channel. As a historical factory, we hope we are not only a factory. We could also provide some ideas for you to be more creative to develop a new designs. If you are interested in bags industry, you can subscribe to our channel. We will keep updating. And you also could scan the QR code on your screen to leave your message. We have our own source team and design team, and also more than 20 team members in our sample room. So it means we could help you to develop your productions from concept even without artwork or material indications. I have put some photos in PowerPoint. And you could also send your requirements to the email on your screen. We will try our best to help you to figure out. Okay, just take a release. Would you like to have a look about our showroom? Okay, Shane, please move the camera and take our customer to have a look. Okay, see, all these designs will be introduced one by one. And if you miss, don't worry. You can subscribe to our channels and come back to the home page to review. More information, you could also scan the QR code on your screen to leave your email. And we will share more information with you. Yes. Okay. And nowadays, more and more people are concerned about the environmental issues, global warming and environmental pollution. People are becoming more and more aware of how important it is to protect the ecosystem. It's not difficult to protect the environment. Each one of us can do it. If you are interested, just keep watching. Our company has always been studying from the needs of customers. Insistence in developing new product lines. At the same time, our company is also very active in environmental protections. We applied for the GRS certification as early as 2019, and this year we got the OCS certification. We active participants in environmental protection course and passed on the environmental protection concept. The certification on the PowerPoint for checking. And more our customers are also choosing the eco-friendly fabric, reusing the plastic bottles to make fabric. I believe our environment will improve due to humans' effort. Since 2019, we have exposed RPET bags to the United States and Europe. And I think many people can also worried about how important of exercise to us. We also encourage everyone to bring their own water caps when going out and reduce the use of the plastic bottles and enjoying the nature while reducing the pressure of nature. Okay, so if you join the TK RPET project, we could also help to protect the environment. We have a great way to recycle the bottles. Do you know about the RPET fabric? The RPET fabric means the fabric is made of plastic bottles. So you may wonder, how can we get the fabric from the plastic bottles? Okay, see, there is a flowchart to introduce how does the mechanical recycling of textile works in details. The use of drinking bottles are collected and sorted by colors and washed. And after having spread off their labels and caps, the bottles are crushed and cut into pea flakes. And the flakes are heated in humidate the last impurities. Then melt and transferred into the dust pellets. The pellets are melted again and exhausted into rolled polyester fibers, which then brushed, shredded, and spun into yarn. The yarn could be processed into various types of fabric. Those can either be pure made of recycled materials or mixed with virgin polyester, tailored to the specific demands of the final products. As the last steps, the fabric are dyed in order to reach the color needs to design stylish and the sounds of customer bags. Okay, and do you know how many PET bottles are recycled in one bag? Okay, see these photos. The laptop bags is made from 8 recycled PET bottles. The backpack is made from 13 recycled PET bottles. And the trolley bag is made from the 16 recycled PET bottles. You may be worried about what is the difference between RPET fabric with common polyester we used before. From the touch, it's not obviously different from the ordinary polyester fabric. And according our eyes and touch and hands touching, it's very similar to our normal polyester with PU coating. We even could not distinguish their difference. And we could do the sublimation and the umbrella. In general, the process the normal fabric can do, in fact, the RPET fabric can be done. But it will be more things. See, because the concept is environmental, so we will do PVC coating. It means the fabric will be more soft and more thin. And do you like sports or outdoor activity? Starting in May, the gym has reopened, so I often go to exercise. I think it's a great way to relax. And on weekend, I will invite my friends to take a walk in park. In addition to having dinner with friends, doing exercise with friends, I think, is a very good way to increase the friendship. And few people take public transportation, and many of our customers choose ride bicycle again. So gym bags are very popular recently. My dad likes to ride a bicycle very much. He usually ride a bicycle to swim and then ride back again. So it's not only that exercise is reduce the car exhaust emissions. Okay, today's topic is about the support series, a collection about the 3 types of gym bags, and 2 different of backpack. According to different purpose, we will recommend different bags to you. Okay, the main fabric is made of new material we introduced this time, RPET. The gray can match your different clothes and decoration when you're out. Okay, for me, I prefer this size, as I usually take the bottle and keys and some small item with me, so I just need the small, simple one. And here is the pocket, so I could put my phone and my gym card inside. And you also could put your gas mat in here. So it's very convenient. And we have different size. But I like this function of this bag. So I can bring shoes. In here there is a compartment, so we could put the shoes or the umbrella inside. It's very convenient. And here is a much pocket in here. I have put some small items inside, and it's very convenient to take out. And as you can see, the capacity is very large, which can meet your needs for various items when going out. And the shoulder pads are added to the shoulder straps. So even if the bag is very heavy, it will not cause discomfortable to the shoulders. Okay. And the middle size is a special one. Here, the zipper is reduced, so we could add the reflective straps on the zipper. In here, yes. And there is another reflective types at the bottoms. So why do I say this one is special? Because it's a sport bags, and it also is a backpack. Let me show you. Open the zipper. Yes. The shoulder strap is hid inside. And here is the clap bucket, so it's very convenient to use these 2 parts. it's adjustable. So when you carry your backpack, the past vehicle can easily to seeing you. Even if it's a dark place, you can easily to find the zipper. So there is a 3-way to carry this bag. You can use the handle, or you can use the shoulder strap. Also, it's a backpack. Okay. And now is the short time of the backpack. The material is soft and made water resistant of fabric. It can protect your laptop from getting soaked and ensure long-lasting usage, and perfect for daily use at school, college, business, and travel. And it's big enough to hold food and clothes and shoes. And here is some detailed designs. First, the roll top design will make your backpack stylish and unique. And here is one compartment. For shoes or umbrella. Yes. And here. The thick pad in the backpack will give you the back support and very comfortable. The airflow backpack design will soft and breathable padding, and the adjustable padding stress can relieve the stress of the shoulders. I very like this design. Okay. So you don't need to worry about the weight if you bring heavy items, and it's very big, has a big capacity. So I think I would take it when we go on a business trip. And if you have interest, please scan the QR code on your screen and leave your email. We would like to share more detail with you. Okay? The last one. The last one. It's very simple one. Gray color, gray and black color can match your clothes and decoration. And the adjustable belt is comfortable, fit the size and the shape for audience. So it could be, and it also could be customized in colors and shapes. All customized is available. Our simple room have more than 20 workers, including 5 designers to open the paper mold. So we not only could change the logo, and we do not make too many decorations on this one. Keep the simple of the whole bag. So it could be used in many seasons. And however, if you would like to be more individuation, we could also share with you more options. So just scan the QR code and send an email to us. Okay, there is the industry about the collections. Our sharing is almost here, and you can scan our subscribe our channel and scan the QR code and leave your email. And now I will answer a few questions about the RPET fabric. The first one, if the customer wants the whole bag be made from the RPET fabric is workable? Okay, the fabric of the whole bag and also the wrapping, it could be RPET, but the plastic buckets cannot. Okay, and how about the cost difference between the normal fabric and RPET fabric? The cost difference will be about 20%. Okay, the last question, and how about the lead time of the RPET? Actually, it depends on the season. It could be usually 20% longer than the normal fabric. Okay, and hope our topic about RPET information and our RPET bags could help you better make sense about the eco-friendly material and how to use it our bags productions. I hope these environment ideas could deliver it to the all customer, not only in China, Asia. We hope all the people and all over the world have these ideas. And if you are interested in this bag industry, you could subscribe our channel and we will keep updating. And you also can scan the QR code on your screen to leave your message. Okay, if you meet any problems, please feel free to contact us by email or just scan the code on your screen. Don't worry, we will help you hand by hand. And hope you have a nice day and look forward to your inquiry. See you soon.